Welcome friends. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about how to download and install Java and check whether the installation is up to date or not. So in this tutorial, we will download Eclipse. For that, go to the downloads. It is a quite confusing page because there is a whole bunch of available Eclipse packages and projects here. As I said, Eclipse is a general purpose development environment. So you are using any language and you are developing any project, you can do that in Eclipse. So it is a good practice to download a specified version for your purpose. Most of the time you will need this classic Java. Most of the time you will need classic Eclipse installation, which is at the bottom of the page. This will help you to run any project and develop in any particular language. After downloading Eclipse, we can download any plugin anytime and switch over to any language. But for now, we will use Eclipse IDE for C and C++ developers. So click on this. It will open up the package details. Go through it if you want to. Otherwise, you can download Eclipse IDE for C and C++ developers from this pan. You can download it for your 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. I am running on a 64-bit operating system, so I will download this one. Here, it will ask you to select a download location. Select any convenient download location and that's it. So this is how you can download from the Eclipse website and start developing using Eclipse. In the very next tutorial, we will be installing Eclipse. Thank you.